Oh my god. Who did this? Oh my god.
It's okay.
See that sleepy goat?
Oh,
Oh, that's all really good.
I don't even know how to run.
Come on! Get out of it. Come on.
What's the matter? Mooch is laying in your bed?
His head in my back.
Paco! Hey there.
Running. We're not going to mess around, we're going to run fast. Which one?
His head in my back.
Paco! Hey there.
It's my damn dog. That's my dog. Can you?
He just, every time, we just cuddle it all. Look at, he just doesn't.
Listen, come on, bring it here. You gotta throw it away. Come on, good boy. Come on. Come on, good boy. Bring it here. Put it in the trash. Come on. No, get it.
Penelope.
Cutest duck I have ever seen in my whole life. Hi, honey.
Oh, Jesus, no, God. Use your door. Okay. Oh, Jesus, no, God. Use your door. Okay.
This broad.
Someone needs immediate surgery. No, not again. You did it twice. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go out your door. Here. This door. You've been using it all day.
Wait. Are you supposed to be up there? Are you supposed to be up here? No!
Hey.
She drew!
Kitty, come on. Let's go. Oh!
Вы видели такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас?
I'll take them for you.
Are you serious? It's right here. Look. Touching you. No, over here.
Oh boy. Someone needs immediate surgery. No, not again. You did it twice. Come here. Come here. Come here. Go out your door. Here. This door. You've been using it all day.
He just turned my AC to 90.
This broad.
Oh.
This thing just flew out of nowhere and landed on me. Oh my god, it's crawling up my head. Oh my god, this thing's my... You gotta put your finger on the top. Right? So if you run out...
Oh, they didn't put food up there. They put food up there for that thing.
There's a bird in our house, and I don't know what to do. Help!
Bark if I'm being annoying.
Yeah, see? Now look.
Toca el Stitch. Ah. E. I. O.
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh.
Are you thirsty?
Oh my god.
Oh, Luna!
Paco!
You have to be quiet.
Where's Paco?
Look, I'm just trying to drop your packages off on the front porch. Cuz, let me make it. I'm just trying to drop. It may be something for you. It may be something for you, man.
Are you thirsty?
Are you doing it again? Do you need me to open the gate? Okay, hold on.
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. I want to pet. What? Another.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, are you okay, Luke?
Oh boy.
Put your finger on the top.
Oh, they didn't put food up there. They put food up there for that thing.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Don't consider tonight, sir. Эй.
Не разрешай есть. Прогоняй ее. Прогоняй. Прогоняй Зарину.
Come on, mate. We just want to pour.
One pooped on you. You got. It pooped right between your eyes.
Paco.
You have to be quiet.
Where's Paco?
I need it. Like.
No, you got it.
Oh my god. Watch the water. No, don't you hit that dude.
Let's see. Go ahead and jump and oh, dang it. Dang.
Oh, when I just tried to skate.
I love you.
Can you not do that, Xena? Xena, do not get on the horn. Get in the back. Don't do that. I'll be right back.
But, oh, Chico. Good morning, Chico.
You come in.
Oh my god. Oh, Luna! Ah!
You call me out? You want to try to play some ball? You play? What's up? All right. Yeah, see me on my home.
Are you serious? It's right here. Look. Touching you. No, over here.
Mooch, you don't even fit in that kennel. What do you want me to do?
Oh!
Oh, when I just tried to skate.
Oh, are you okay, Luke?
I'm gonna follow me, Jake.
He's taking the white bottom down.
Watch the water. No, don't you hit that dude.
Bark if I'm being annoying.
Here, let's...
I'll bake them for you.
Morning, Chico. Hi, Rudy. Oh, good morning. Oh, hi. Oh, you're a beautiful.